It's where I'm living since you've been gone.